Hello guys, this is the Yorkshire Trainspotter and welcome back to another video. Now, we're going to be starting a new series today. This series is going to be an ongoing series on my channel called Visiting the Railways of Yorkshire, where we are going to try and visit every single train station in Yorkshire. We are going to get off, wait for the train to leave and then get back on another train. So we are not just going to be passing through the stations or stopping at them. We are actually going to be getting off and exploring the stations of Yorkshire and seeing what the railways of Yorkshire have to offer. Now, I thought I'd start with a neck of the woods that I kind of know, but I'm going to some stations I've not been to today. We are at Howden now, so we're at Howden. I'm going to be going to Gilberdyke, Ferriby, Hessle and Brough. Howden Station. I've been to Howden Station a lot, really. It's not the most of interesting stations. In fact, the actual town of Howden is about 1.5 miles that way. So 1.5 miles that way is the actual town of Howden itself. But yeah, Howden town's good, but I'm not going to walk there because it takes about 30 minutes to walk to the actual town of Howden, and we haven't got that time today. In fact, the service to York is just coming in, but we are going down the line. Now, at some point in this series, we will actually be going up from Howden and going to Selby and that way. But for the most part, today, we are going to be doing the south section of this line. The platforms are staggered here at Howden, so that's pretty cool. You got staggered platforms. So we're on the Hull-bound platform, but the York-bound platform and London-bound platform is that platform over there. 155-343, taking us to Gilberdyke. Made it to Gilberdyke. Gilberdyke has 2 platforms and northern trains only. To the top of Gilberdyke's footbridge. I've put my hood up because it's raining a lot, but it's nice up here. Gilberdyke's footbridge is nice. And basically Gilberdyke is just a lot of houses. There's not really much to do. In fact, I'll turn the camera around and you can just see, we can see houses. Houses and trees. And yeah, basically Gilberdyke is houses and trees. It's raining a lot. Yorkshire, you know, it's beautiful, Yorkshire, but it does tend to rain quite a bit. Right, we are now leaving Gilberdyke. We are getting on board 158. Let's get a proper look at it. We are getting on board a 158. Which 158 is it? 158-870, taking us to Ferriby. I am now on 158-870. It's a nice northern refurbed 158. Which is always nice, and we are heading to Ferriby. This journey is not just about trains, it is actually about stations and what they have to offer and the surrounding area of the station. So now we are currently just walking down the road, literally as you exit Ferriby station. Like, that's Ferriby station behind me. So we're literally just walking down this road, and I want to see if I can find anything interesting or odd. Discovered. There's a road, and another road. There's roads in Ferriby, so if you ever want to find roads and you ever want to spot cars, come to Ferriby. That's practically all there is. Roads and a station. Roads and obviously houses on the roads. It has stopped raining so much, which is just amazing. It's actually started to stop raining. What I'm really hoping is that it just completely stops and it just becomes nice sunny weather, but I don't think that's going to happen, but at least it's stopped raining. So, Ferriby, 2 platforms, and it's got northern trains, but it's a lot worse service than other stations. Basically, it has no off-peak service. They are either in the morning peak, or what I'm travelling in right now, the evening peak. I think it was a good choice coming over to this platform because I can spy over there, down here. If we keep walking down here, I can spy through here the Humber. The Humber's over there. Should we go and take a walk to the Humber? I think we shall. I'm absolutely soaking wet, but you cannot fail to be amazed by the Humber River. In fact, it might be better that we've come on a day when it's raining actually, because it does look stunning. You cannot fail to be amazed by the Humber Bridge. I'm sorry, but you can't. It's amazing. Now, I suppose we should probably make our way back to the station now. But wow, that is awesome. Back at the station now. Yeah, that River Humber was just beautiful, like, yeah. Anyways, the next stop is Hessle. We're going to be heading to Hessle. We're going to be at Hessle for about another hour, and then to Brough, where we'll be for not very long, but then we are going home. That will be us done. We are now leaving Ferriby. We are going to be getting on board a train. Shall we have a look? Oh, here it is. Oh, it's a 150-2. Oh, that's pretty cool. We're on a 150-2 to Hessle. It's just the one stop to Hessle on a 150-2. We are on, shall we take a look? 150. We are on 150-205.
Ferriby.
Hessle. 2 platforms, northern trains. Pretty much nothing more to say. It's got exactly the same service as Ferriby. Every train that stops at Ferriby also stops at Hessle. So yeah, we're at Hessle. Now, Hessle is right next to the A63. Like, literally cars are whizzing past us. And also, Bridge! You got cars! Spin round! You got trains! Cars and trains! That's pretty much all I got to say about Hessle. Cars and trains and graffiti. Try and walk to the Humber Bridge, but I think I'm gonna head back to the station now because we've got about 10 minutes until the train, so I think it's safe to head back to the station now. Conscious of my camera battery. It's in the red now, it's flashing, it's telling me it's gonna run out soon, so yeah, hope it don't run out. We are leaving Hessle, we're getting on board 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗃, taking us to Brough, where we'll finish the video. Brough, it's a Trans-Pennine Express station. Oh, Anne is interrupting me again. This is a Trans-Pennine Express station that gets Northern trains, Trans-Pennine trains, and Hull trains. Lots of trains. Guys, that is the end of the video. So we've ticked off 5 stations: Howden, Gilberdyke, Ferriby, Hessle and Brough. We'll be coming back to Brough. Anne is now letting me know that my train home is now approaching. I'm catching the Hull trains. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.